Health officials say a Vancouver call center is closed due to a COVID-19 outbreak. More than 24 employees at the Spectrum customer call center are sick. Catherine Cook talked with one employee who hopes this will remind others to stay vigilant.
In Vancouver, Charter Communications' Spectrum Billing Center has been closed since May 12th. Over the last month, 29 employees have tested positive for COVID-19, with 2 others awaiting test results. That's according to Clark County public health officials, who say the most recent cases were reported Friday. They added employees identified as close contacts must quarantine for a minimum of 10 days before returning to work. Those who tested positive can't go back until they've completed their isolation period, and they recommended all employees get tested for COVID-19.
We've been told to social distance 6 feet, but it's not possible.
This Spectrum employee wanted to remain anonymous. She says a manager asked employees not to disclose information about the COVID cases outside the company, including to the media.
I felt that it was important for people to know and for something to be done.
She says over the last year, the company has been lax about enforcing rules regarding social distancing and mask protocol. She says while many people are working from home, around 175 employees at a time still report to the call center, which she says is about the size of a grocery store. Even so, while in close-quartered cubicles, she says most employees feel they should go maskless on the phone because of ambiguous protocol.
There was no you can't wear them, but it was definitely everyone's doing it, and it's kind of weird if you don't do it because I've been told my managers that you have to have the microphone right up next to your mouth for people to be able to hear you.
But perhaps most frustrating of all, she says, is a recent series of emails to employees from a manager suggesting it was their fault they got sick from, quote, situations they have encountered outside of this building. Later, the manager writes, when you are not able to be at work, it puts pressure on your coworkers and customers.
It didn't show care for the employees, and it didn't show acknowledgement that there was something going on or what's going to be done to fix it that's actually going to change what's been happening.
We reached out to Charter Communications asking about those emails. We didn't get an answer to that question, but Charter did say in a statement they're working closely with the county and continue to follow state and federal safety guidelines. They added, the health and safety of our employees is our highest priority. Once we have confirmed with the CCPHD that all the safety precautions have been met, we will reopen our Vancouver facility.
Very concerning.
If anything, this employee hopes everyone sees this as a reminder that, while the end may be in sight, now is not the time to let your guard down at work or anywhere else. Catherine Cook, KGW News.